Just gotta go straight off, man.
You got lots of powder. You ride right in powder.
Just gotta go straight over. Straight over, I'm videoing.
See? She is afraid.
Shit, turn right here.
He could do it, but he's afraid. You know, Sia, you could do that. Just get over the fear.
What fear?
Yeah, go fear.
I was just trying to maneuver a little bit because of the crap in my pants.
I know, Daddy! No. Watch the cliff!
If you unclip, you may be able to get to the left, no?
Let's go, don't stop.
Go a little to your right.
Just shoot over the top, Don.
Just drop right down. Worst thing is you fall.
Yeah!
Now that's the way to do it. Overcome the fear.
I got it, baby. That was awesome.
You got a still or a video?
Video.